You all can hear me, guys? Yes or no? Guys, can you hear me now? Yes. Great. Great. Cool. Now, yeah. So in the last class, means yesterday, I have started explaining you about what is Hackathon, what is iCode. And today also I'll just brief it down a little bit about what is Hackathon, what is iCode, and then I'll show how to sign in. Okay, then we'll go ahead to the interface and we'll practice by yourself. So as we have discussed in the last class, that Hackathon has this coding competition, that is Hackathon. This is segregated in 3 different levels. Okay, the first level will be Indian finals. Okay, the first level will be Indian final. The second level will be once the Indian final will qualify, it would be on 16th of October. Once you qualify this Indian final, you have to compete like South Asia finals. Okay, in South Asia we have numbers of countries, like we have Ghana, UAE, Middle East countries, we have Singapore. These countries we have over there itself. Okay, you all have to compete with those students which are based in South Asia. Okay, those countries along with Indian final students will compete over there. Once they compete and the finals, this Indian student or South Asian students who won those championship in South Asia will jump to the final one. Means final in you can say the competition between the Chinese student and Indians or South Asian one. Okay, so 3 different levels we have segregated for the finals of this hackathon. Fine, understood, guys? Anyone has any sort of questions, anything you need to ask, anything, you can just ping me on the chat box. Okay, I'll answer. Anyone of you? Okay, so I don't think anyone has any sort of concern regarding this hackathon, regarding iCode. Okay, so now I'm gonna share my screen. Yep, hope you all can see my screen, isn't it? So once again, because few students has joined today as a new one, so that's why I'll start. Okay, yes, Yatharth. You have got 4 options. Great. Might be you have gone ahead, so that's why you have got a 4 option. Good, very good. Now, I'll start from the beginning. Like, what are the different steps we have to follow to log in, or you can say to sign in? Okay, we have a PPT over here. It means a PDF file. How to follow this PDF file and log in. You can log in to this Hackathon Gamified Practice Portal. Okay, basically where you are practicing, that is a practice portal. Fine. Now, what is the first step? The first step is to just write it down, this URL, like https://icode.org. Okay, so this is a portal, this is an interface what gonna open for you can practice the complete entire missions what you have over there itself. So for that you need one URL, and this is the URL. Okay, https://icode.org. okay, so I gonna write it down. Look, it's already up over here itself. https://learn.icode.org. it's already written over here. So once I pressed enter, look, once I press enter, okay, the same page gonna open. Okay, it will ask that do you have school code? Okay, yes or no. If you won't have, then just write it down, the email address what you have logged in, what you have signed in prior. Okay, so I'll just write it down, my email address, like iOS86@gmail.com. This is why I'm explaining every day, guys, because might be possible that you have new students joining today itself, so might be they won't know how to log in. Okay, that's why I'm just explaining it prior to the class. Few minutes I'm gonna take and I'll explain it. Okay, Okay, recording. You haven't shared your email ID, Yatharth. If you're gonna share, then we can put the recording in that specific email ID. You just send me the email ID of yours. I'll put it over there itself. Okay. In that specific email ID, dear, what email ID you have, you want that recording now. So you have to provide your email ID. In that email ID, we'll provide, yeah. So it's Yatharth Shah 2190@gmail.com. Okay. Or else might be this your parent has given a different email ID. Then what we'll do, we'll just provide the recording in that sort of email ID. Okay. So you just check. If you won't get in this email ID, you can check over there itself. Okay. In your parent email ID, we're gonna share the recording. Okay, don't worry. So guys, once you write it down, the email ID, you have to tap on self validation code. Once you tap on validation code, it will be sent on your specific ID, what you have mentioned. Okay. So let me just check what ID I have got. Okay. Yeah. So the validation code is 127.127.838.838. Done. Okay. So validation code is 127.838. I'll just tap on submit validation code. Look, I directly jump to the portal. Okay. So you can see the portal. You will find everything over here. You have premium subscription. You can download invoice. You have a start learning. Your name, everything. It has been mentioned over here. So what we're gonna do? We'll just tap on start learning. Once we tap on start learning, what you all can see, you will directly jump to the interface where you have logged in. Okay. Fine. Where you have logged in, you can just see that sort of interface. Okay. So yesterday we have discussed like up to I think like 9 in the first class you all have done, and yesterday you have done like 4. So we'll start with 13. Okay. 9 plus 13. Okay, we'll start with 14 itself. How you have to go back, I already explained. Yes, you have to tap on menu. Okay. And then like over here, you can see in unit 1, you have different sections. Okay. In each and every unit, you have like 10 different sections: 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay. So we'll start with 14 itself. What you have to do to start with 14 is the previous one. Just tap on that specific circle. Okay. On that specific universe, you can see. I just tapped it. Look, it appears over here itself. Okay, yes or no? Fine, guys. Anyone has to ask any sort of questions, you can just ping me in the chat box. You'll get in your email ID what your parent has given, okay, to our company. They'll get you'll get eventually the recordings, the complete recordings. Don't worry about that. Okay. Okay. Hussan, you just missed yesterday's class, so can you explain me what you taught in the last? Okay. So Hussan, what we have in the last class, we have completed 4 different missions. Number 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay. Today we'll start with the 14th number of missions. Okay. So let's go ahead. Guys, what will be the first command? What we have to do now? Yeah, go ahead. Now, everything you all will say me, I'll start accordingly. I'll write it down accordingly. Go ahead. The first you all are telling me. Okay. Step 3. Do you really think that that this they will run to step 3? We don't have any different step as I explained in the last class. Yeah, good. So turn left, then we'll go 2 step. Okay. We first of all we're gonna turn left, then we'll go to the 2 step itself. You are not getting the start learning option. You Sai, just log in, follow the process. Look, just tap it over here to this URL. I'm putting the URL in the chat box. Okay, don't worry about that. So wait, let me just put the URL in the chat box. I'm gonna put it. https // icode.org / done. I shared, guys, I have shared the login credential over here. Sorry, login URL. Just tap it over here and follow the process. Okay, sure. Now let's go ahead. So first step, Dave should turn left. Okay, it should turn left. So for turning left, I have to tap over here itself to the Dave. That's our sprite, player, robot, whatever you want to say, you can say. And these are the different items we have to take. Now, Dave, and then it should turn left. So I tap on turn left. Then what we have to do, I'll just press enter. Once it turned to this position to the left, now you want to walk forward. Okay, now you can just calculate, you just count the different steps, like how many steps he needs to walk. Okay, and we have different steps over here, 1 step, 2 step. In the third step, he'll fall down. So just 2 steps we're gonna do. Dave, and the step would be like just 2 steps. Done. If you want to check, like just tap it to the run and you can check it by yourself. 2 step, that's it. We have done just up to 2 steps and it's fine. Now, what would be the next step, guys? Where it should go? Okay, so those who haven't taken any of the class, it's the first class. What you all have to do, you will just get the recording and follow that recording, please. Okay, just understand those recordings, look at properly, watch it, and then follow the steps what trainers are doing, and then you can execute it accordingly. Okay, you'll get the output. Okay, good. Now, what would be the next step, guys? It should turn right or left? Yep, exactly. He should go right. Very good. What is the green repeat button? Green repeat button, where you are saying, dear? This one you were saying about, I think so. We won't have to use now. Okay. Repeat means you have to repeat. Okay. Now, meeting passcode, we don't have any meeting passcode. You'll just get a mail. You have to just log in with that specific mail ID. Okay. But sir, it says I need. No, you won't need it. Just go over here itself. I'll just close it. Yep. Now you have to just go we reached up to the second step. Now you'll turn to like right, and then again the 2 steps. Okay, so I'll just tap on Dave. Okay, and it should go to the right. It should move to right itself, and then again it should move 2 steps. You can just count the bricks. Okay, count the steps what he has to walk. He has to reach to the to take the different items. So that's why once it's over here, he'll take 1 and 2 different steps he gonna take. So again I'll tap to Dave, and the step will be like just 2 steps. Okay, number 2 steps. I'll just tap on run. Let's see, is it appearing properly or not? Done. It's appearing properly. Okay, it's appearing properly. Might be Pragna, you have you are logging with a different ID and password. That's why it's showing like this. Okay, so please don't log in with your system. What you have logged in, you can do it by the live webinar. Okay, don't log in. Please don't log in with the previous one. Please don't log in. Okay, it will show you. It will show that it's gonna start later. What is green repeat button? I need it in level 12. Level 12 already we have. This is not level 12 there. This is different level. This is number 14. Okay, so we are in 14th. 12th level already we have crossed yesterday. Now guys, so we just came up to here. Again we'll turn left, okay, so that this Dev should face towards the straight. Okay, it should face towards straight. In which part? Where the step is. Okay, the straight where the step is. So again I'll tap on Dev, and then he should turn like left. Let's see, I'll just press enter. Okay, he turned to the left, and then he should walk 2 steps. So Dev, and the step would be like 2. Okay, you want to try? Just tap on run and try it. Yeah, done. Hussan, level 11, 12, and 13, I don't have solution over here, because if again I'll go to that level, I have to make it from the new. Okay, so please make it from here itself. What we'll do, once we share the recording, you'll find all the solution for the different levels. Okay, if we're gonna go back, if I'll go back, it will lag, it will take time. Okay, so once I'll provide all the recording, you can use those recording and you can execute properly. Okay, just focus now, just start from the 14th number. Okay, fine guys, now let's go ahead. So up to here he reached. Again, what he has to do, he should take right and then go ahead itself. Okay, he should move right and then go 2 steps ahead. So what he should do, I'll press enter, and yeah, so Dev will be like, I'll tap on Dev, he should turn right. Okay, he has turned right and he'll go 2 steps ahead. Like again I'll tap to Dev, and the step would be just 2. Done. Good, very good guys, you all are explaining it very nicely. Let's see, is it happening properly or not? Perfect. Now again it should move towards left, then again he'll take full few steps, like 2 steps. Once it reaches over here, okay, he'll turn to the left 2 steps, right, and then 2 steps. Fine. Then like Dev, I'll tap on Dev, he'll take again left turn. Okay, left turn, so that his face would be in a straight steps face. Okay, and then after that Dev will go 2 steps, like you can count the bricks 1 and 2. Third, if you're going to take the 3rd step, he'll fall down, so the step would be like just 3 steps. You're going to write it down. Okay, then once it reaches to this corner brick, he should again move left or right. So once he reaches over here, he has to move to the right position, because once he moved right and walked straight to the next 2 steps, then he'll find the last item what he wants to take. Okay, so I'll just tap on Dev, tap on right, because he needs to move look towards right. Okay, face towards right itself, then he should walk 2 steps. Then I'll press enter, he's gonna walk step 2. Step will be 2. Done. Let's see, run it and check that is it appearing properly or not. Okay, now he'll take right, then take step left, then oh my god, he has to move left or right. He has like it would be just 2 steps. Once over here it reached 1 and 2, just 2 steps. So I have given by mistakenly 3 steps. Yeah, just 2 steps guys. Okay, fine, done. Okay, now I'll not go ahead. I just want everyone to complete this part, then we'll go ahead. Do it fast. Once everyone did it, we'll go ahead then. Okay, yeah. Practice levels, yeah, it's enough, but what you have to do, Ishwarya, that once you practice it properly, you have to use your logical visualization. Okay, so where it has to move, once where you're putting loop, where you're putting different range, these visualization you have to make by yourself. Okay, so how it happens, you have to practice more and more. Okay, once all the missions has been completed, you'll get few more missions to complete. Okay, once you are done with that, then you will have to compete in the finals itself. Okay, so hope everyone has completed. If anyone didn't understood or anyone is lagging behind, if anyone is if anyone's error is popping up, please let me know, any one of you. Otherwise, we'll go ahead. Shall I go ahead, guys? Yes or no? You can write down in the chat box if anyone has any sort of problem. Okay, let's go ahead then. Okay, so in the next level, we are in the next level now. I'll tap on run and we'll directly jump to the next level. Fine. So 14th level completed. Now we'll directly jump to the 15th one. So I'll just tap it over here. Oh my God, it's the tough one, I think so. Or might be, you can say not a tough, it's a lengthy one. Okay, so what would be the first step? Ping in the chat box, do it fast. So the first step, oh my God, who has pasted it? So step one, great. Juhi has pasted the complete code, great. So he'll go to step one. Okay, let's start from the beginning. Yeah, so the first step will be like Dave. I'll tap on Dave, or you can write it down, it's up to you. You want to tap on Dave, you can write it down, it's completely up to you. Okay, Dave, then he'll go ahead with step one. Done. He has taken this step, this part, he has taken this one. Now where he should go? He should move left or right, guys? Just I'll check in the chat box that what answer you are putting. Left or right, tell me. Go ahead. Now Dave should take left step or right step? Right. Okay, can I get more answers? Right. Okay, good, very good. So let's see. Like I'll tap over here, press enter. I'll tap on Dave and he should turn right. Okay, he should turn right, and then again he should move towards one step. Okay, so one step is like I'll tap on Dave, step would be one. Okay, fine. Now again we'll follow the same process, just a little bit difference that he should move towards left and then he should go ahead. So I'll put like a step. The step will be like same. I'll tap on Dave. Okay, now he should turn towards left. Then again he should move one step. Then again right. Okay, simple. So I'll tap on Dave. Sorry, I already did it. He should move towards left. Okay, and again he should move one step ahead. I'll tap on Dave. The step would be one. Fine, let's see it. Let's check that is it properly happening or not. Fine. Again, it should take right and then go ahead, again left. Same process we're gonna keep on putting. Okay, same process we're gonna keep on putting. Like we have over here, it should turn right. Dave, once it reaches over here, again it should move like this side and turn right. So I'll tap on turn right and the step would be one again. Okay, the same process. So I'll tap. Now this time I'll write it down like Dave dot step. Okay, and what would be the step? Just one step. Now let's see, is it working properly or not? It's an iterative process, guys. You have to make it and check it. You have to make it and check it. Okay, Now we'll press over here. Fine. So now where he should move, left or right, guys? Tell me. He should move which position, left and right, left or right? So I just got left. Yeah, exactly. It should move towards left. Okay. So I'll tap on Dave and then left. Okay. You want to write it down, you want to tap it over here, you can do by yourself. Just left and right. Now press enter. Okay. And once you turn towards left over here, you need to go one step ahead. Okay. Then only once you go one step ahead, then you'll take those items what has been mentioned, like item numbers. You can just tap on the different items. You can see its number like 0, number 2, number 1 is over here, number 4, number 3, number 6, number 5, number 8, number 7. Okay. In this way, it's gonna appear. Number 11, I'll just remove this item. Okay, fine. These are the different items you have to take. Now just turn towards left, then step 1. Dave should take the step 1. Okay. Then again, it should turn towards right. I'll tap it. Dave should turn towards right. Okay. Press enter. And then again, it should take 1 step. Dave, it should take step 1. What happens? 1 step, when it reaches over here itself, he should turn towards left, goes over here. We have like turn left. This Dave reaches over here. He should turn left, go 1 step, again turn right, go 1 step, left, right. These sort of combinations of left and right happens over here. You can see it. Let's figure it out. If there would be any sort of problem, we can check it. Look, okay, it has been stopped. Once there is any sort of error or you haven't completed the project, it will be flashing like Dave has not yet collected all the energy boost. So let's go ahead. Yeah, turn right, done. We have step 1. Then again it should go to the left position. Dave will go to the towards left. Step should be 1. Dave will tap. Step would be 1. Okay. Again, I'll press enter. So Dave should turn towards right now. Okay, and then step would be 1. The same process. Okay, because it's in a pattern, it's in a flow of zigzag. So pattern will be zig, means right, left, right, left, right, left. Okay, and with the steps, obviously, because you need 1 step to eat to take those items what it has been in the left and right position. Okay, so I'll just tap it over here. I'll take the step. Okay, done. Let's see, is it appearing properly or not? Fine. So we have reached up to here. Now again, I'll just tap it. We'll go with number 17, that Dave should turn left. I'll tap it over here. He should turn left. 1 step he'll follow. Okay, 1 step he should go. Like I'll tap on Dave. Step will be 1. Okay. Then again he should turn towards left. Sorry, right. Okay. I'll tap on Dave and then turn right. Again he should go. Like I'll tap to the Dave. 1 step again. Number is total 12 items we have. So the step would be like 24. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Each step has 2 different commands. Like one is a step and the second one is might be left or right. Okay. So once you go ahead, you have a step option, means a step command, and right or left where you want, where the Dave is moving towards. Okay. You can put that part. So over here we have like Dave. Now again, I'll put the step. Step would be 1. Okay, I'll wrap it now. And then again, he should go towards left. As I told, it's a zigzag pattern. So once you have to ignore left part, one you have to ignore like right part. Okay. So just tap on Dave, the step 1. How to use 4 option? We didn't get any 4 option over here, dear Yatharth. We didn't get any 4 option over here. Okay. Now again, like I just turn towards left part. I'll go to right, like Dave. Sorry. I'll tap on Dave. Okay. Not step this time. Right. And then the last would be Dave will take 1 step. Dave will take step number 1. Let's see it appears properly or not. So yeah, it started. It's taking left, right with 1 the step. Okay, left, right, done. Okay, so I'll just make it once again so that everyone can do it, and then we'll go ahead. Go ahead, guys. Please complete it. Please complete these part. Go ahead. Anyone wants to ask any sort of questions, you can use. Okay. Might be you are in different missions. That's why you are getting there. Okay. Might be you are in different mission. That's why you are getting. Don't worry. Yeah. So I'll just give 1 minute. Everyone can do it, understand it. If you get any sort of problem, you can ask it me. No, dear, you don't have any of the options to go it diagonally. You'll get it. Eventually, you'll get it, but don't worry. But right now, we don't have any sort of options to go it diagonally. Okay. So what happens if you go diagonally? You're gonna miss all these sprites. Like these are the different sprites. Once it go diagonally, look. What happens? You'll leave all these sprites. Okay. These sprites won't be taken. Just these sprites you will take. Okay. So you won't. That's why the programmer hasn't made any sort of diagonal option to go it diagonally. Okay. Okay. We are on the 14th, 15th one, Dash. Good. Now let's close it. So guys, hope everyone has done this part. I'm gonna run it once again, and then we'll go ahead. I'll close it. Now we'll go ahead. Okay. With a different mission. Fine. Now let's go ahead. Okay. Look, it appears like this itself. Now tell me, guys, this is a little bit complicated, isn't it? No, I'm not saying it's complicated, but a little bit, you can say it's different from the previous one. Yeah. So what would be the first step? Tell me, what would be the first step? It's completely up to you. You can go to the left position, you can go to the right position, you can go up, down, wherever you want to go, you can go. Okay. Step 3. Okay. So you will take step 3 and then -8. Okay. Fine. You can do like, if move him to the towards left, take this one, then take the step like -4 again, and sorry, -8, so that you can take this one also. Then you can go up, down, whatever you can do by yourself. Okay, it's up to you. So like I'll just start it. Press enter. Yeah. Now the first step, I'll just turn my Dave towards left. Okay, you can directly start with like step 3, step 4, step 8. It's completely up to you. I'm not saying that you all are wrong. Okay, just that if you have a different sort of a completion process, okay, you are following a different process. Okay, so it's completely up to you how you follow. I'm not saying that you all are doing wrong. It's totally correct. Okay, now so I'll take this Dave. He'll go over here itself, then it come back. Okay. Yeah. So he'll go towards left. I'll tap on left. Okay. Then he'll follow the same process. Like he'll go towards step 4. Okay. So I'll take like Dave. We'll follow the step 4. Done. Now what I reached, I'll just practice it. Means I'll test it. He has taken. Okay. Now what we can do, we can just move him completely towards right. Like let's move him in the same position. Then we'll take these two one. Then the last one we'll take. Okay. So I'll go back. I'll use -4 as a step so that it should come to the specific position. Okay. So like Dave should come to the step, and that step would be like -4. Okay. He reached up to here again. Now what I want to take this one. So the same position. Now he'll take, first of all, we have taken left. So he has gone to this position. Now we'll take right. He'll go and take this one. Okay. So I'll press enter. He'll turn towards right. Okay. I'll tap over here. He'll turn towards right. Again, once it turns towards right, look, it turns toward this item number 1. And then look, why I started like this? I have taken first 0, then I am taking 1, then I'll take 2, then I'll take 3. I just thought that to take these items according to the number, according to the values. Okay, 0 first I have taken, then 1, then 2, then 3. Okay, I already told that you can take the first, the second one, the first, the third one, the first one at the last, 0 1 at the last. It's completely up to you. Even for the same process, what you want to do. Okay. Now, so he'll take 4 steps, like 4 steps we have over here, 4 blocks, 4 bricks, whatever you want to say, you can say 1 2 3 4. Okay. So I'll just tap on Dave, and the step would be like 4 step. Okay, number 4. Yeah. Now let's see. I'll just run it. Taken, came back. Look, I have taken. Now what's gonna happen? Now the next step will be like he'll come -8. Okay, so he's gonna come like -8, step back, so that he should face towards this item, and he'll go back and eat this one. Means item number 2. Okay, so I'll tap on this, and the step would be like -8. Okay, -8. Done. The step I have taken is -8. Now I'll just tap on run, and we will see it gonna reach up to here. It will take this item, the third one. Okay, the second one. He has taken 0. He has taken number 1. Now he's going towards second one. Okay, done. Now again, he'll come to the center of this complete blocks. Center the complete block. Once he need to reach the center of the complete block, then he should walk 4 steps ahead. Okay, 4 steps forward. Yeah, good. Guys, I'm checking the chat box also while I'm answering. It's pretty good. Very good. You all have to answer in the chat box. Okay, so I'll just tap on this, and then step. It should be 4. Now tell me, what should I do after this step? I should move left. I should move right. What should I do? Tell me. Turn right And after that, once I turn right, after that, what should I do? Once I turn right, then step 4. Okay, then turn right. After that, step 4 or step 3, guys? Tell me. Yeah, it should be 4. Good. So I'll do like Dave will be turning towards right. Okay, and then he'll take like step 4 step. 1, 2, 3, 4. As I told, you have to count the step where your item is lying because you need to reach at that specific block. Okay, once you reach to that block, then only you'll get that specific item. Like item number 3 we have over here, you'll take it. Okay, so the step would be like step number 4. Good. I'll tap on run. Okay, he has taken the first 0, 1, 0 item. Now the first one, the second one. Great, awesome. Look, it has been completed. So I'll not go ahead. Yeah, do it fast. Everyone has to complete this part, then we'll go ahead. Okay. Yeah. Once done this way, this function, this complete mission, we'll go ahead. Okay. If anyone didn't understood anything, yeah. So we have completed up to this mission. If anyone has any problem, any concern, anything you need to ask, please you can ping me in the chat box. I'll answer. Any one of you have any sort of concern? The class is from 6 to 7 dear. Okay, 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. Okay, we are using Python Advanced, so it's on Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay, we have 4 classes in each week, so just keep in mind you have Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Okay, we'll give test on this platform only. Yeah, exactly. The final will be like over here itself. Okay, like this sort of platform, but might be the question would be different from here, but the pattern would be same, the process will be same, the process will be completely same. So you all have to visualize things like this itself. Okay, you can complete the levels by your own. If you're stuck somewhere, if you didn't understood, you can ask. Okay, yeah, same link, guys. You all will get a link in the mail. You have to just tap over there itself and then you will go live. Okay, how you all are admitting, how you all are starting, the same process you have to do for all 4 days. Okay, you'll get a link before the class. Okay, just check the link in the mail. If you didn't get the link in the mail, just check in the spam. Okay, you all know where is spam. I'll show where is spam. Like I'll just show where is the spam. Like if you didn't get this sort of mail, like you have a mail of go live option, okay, and you didn't found like the mail over here itself, then what you all have to do, you have to go in spam. I'll just tap on more. Yeah, I'll just go look over here. This is spam. Just tap it over here and you can see, look, one validation code. I got it over here. Once I'll be able to check in the mail. If I didn't found, I'll come over here to the spam part and check it. Okay, I'll find. So if you won't get any mail, you are searching for the mail on that specific day, like Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, then what happened? If you just didn't got the mail in the inbox, just go to the spam. Over here you have spam, 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 and check the iCode go live option, means a mail, a link over here itself. Okay, fine. Okay, so still anyone has any sort of concern, any problem? You can ask any one of you. 4 days, week, same link on respective day. Yeah, on all the respective days, you have like 4 days I told now, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay, on all these 4 days, you'll get link, different links. Okay, on your mail. You have to check on the mail. Okay, you have to check on the mail itself. Fine. And if you didn't get mail in the inbox, you didn't found it, the mail in the inbox, then you will just check in the spam. Okay. Now let's go ahead. So last project, last mission of today's class, I'll do, means we'll do, then we'll wrap up the session. Okay. So first complete this one. Okay. So I don't think anyone has any sort of problem regarding these processes. Okay. So let's go ahead. Yep. So it's look like a little bit tricky. Okay. It's look like a little bit tricky. Once what you all have to do, you have to go 3 steps, then again turn left, take minus step, then again turn right, go ahead, follow the same pattern. Okay. How we can do? Like I'll tap on Dave. Okay. And then the step would be like 3. Just take the 3 step. Okay. Then again go down. I reach over here. Okay. Then what I'll do, I'll turn right. Sorry, left. Okay. You can turn right also or left also, but it would be more convenient to turn left, then go back and again come to that original place. Means at the center. Okay. So I'll just tap on the Dave. Why? Because I'm telling you don't have any occupation, means occupy region over here itself. Okay, so you won't have to follow this part, this area. You have to just go over here itself, stop, take the item, come to the center and follow the same process, means go straight. So once, yeah, you have to take like left step, and then once after taking the left step, guys, what would be the step again you all have to take? Tell me. I'll check in the chat box. Yeah, exactly. Please click the arrow near turn button. Where is arrow near turn button? Oh, you're talking about this loop, for loop. Okay, now over here I'll just close it. Okay, fine. I got it, dear. I got it. No issues. Now over here we have like, I'll go yeah, -3 steps we're gonna take. Okay, so I'll tap on Dave and the step would be like -3. So I'll tap on step and I'll take like -3. Okay, done. Then again I'll come in front. Okay, I'll take like, once I reaches over here, I'll take 1 step once again. So what can I do? You can copy the steps and write it down also. Okay, I'll just copy it over here. Are you gonna paste it? I'll take 1. Fine. Now let's check that is it working properly or not. Okay, so I'll just go over here. Once it reaches, it goes 1, 2, 3 minus over here. So they have 3 steps over here. It reaches again. It went turn left. After turning left, I just missed 1 step. Turning left, it should eat 1 and then it should go to -3. Like I'll paste it, my 3 instead of 1. Yeah, done. Okay. Now you'll see that it will take all the 2 items what we have. Turn left. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, that's fine. Now what we have to do, guys? Which step he has to follow? Now he has to take right turn. Okay, so that he should look towards the straight path. Okay, so I'll just tap on Dave and I'll turn to right. Okay, and then I'll turn right. I just turn right. 1, 2, 3. 3 steps again. Okay, so I'll just copy and paste. I have pasted it, and then after that I reached over here again. You should turn left, take 1 step and go back. Okay, So the same process, turn left, take step 1 and then go to -3. So you can just copy these 3 lines. Copied. After that, I pasted. Like he'll turn left. Okay, he turned left. He has taken this part, this item. Then he has gone back 1, 2, 3, -3. Now let's see. Let's see that is it working properly or not. Taken. Yeah, great. Now again, he has to come 1 step ahead and he'll follow the same process. Okay, so he'll come like 1 step ahead, then he'll turn right and take again 3 steps. So all the same processes will occur again. I have taken, yep. Now let's see. Same process happens. That's why I just copied and pasted it. Okay, let's see. If there would be any mistake, then we'll figure it out. Okay. Taken, he has taken. Last would be the 3rd step. Great. Hope everyone has understood. I'll not go ahead. Yeah, just do it. And now we are done with all the missions for today's class. If anyone has any sort of concern, anything you need to ask, please let me know. Any one of you. Meanwhile, I'll just take the attendance. Yeah. Meanwhile, I'll just take the attendance. Yep, guys. Anyone needs to ask anything, you can ask, please. Completed. Very good. Awesome. It's a Python, dear. Okay, you want to learn about loop. Okay, I'll explain the complete loop part in the next class. So I'll just brief it down. What is loop? You want to do the same thing. Okay, means n numbers of time, like 5 times, 6 times, 7 times, or infinite numbers of times. You have to use loop. Okay, means keep on happening, keep on happening, keep on happening, keep on happening. Those things. Okay, fine. So I'll just close it. I'll explain everything in the next class. Don't worry about that for regarding loop. Okay, and then we'll go ahead using those loop. Okay. Yeah, we don't have, yeah, we don't have right now any condition to form that loop. Might be in the next class we have that levels to perform. I'll do it practically and show. Okay, I'll do it practically and show everyone, because we don't have any part to loop right now. Okay, so that I can use for loop over here. Once we complete it, we'll go ahead with different loop system. Okay, great. Okay, guys, bye. Take care. Have a nice day. Stay safe, everyone. Bye bye. Bye, guys. Take care.